In nature's gentle embrace we find a beauty that soothes the troubled mind. Life's symphony, a harmonious song, with every note we all belong. The sun ascends with golden grace, painting the world in a warm embrace. Mornings bloom with dew-kissed flowers, a canvas painted in nature's power. The whispering breeze among the trees carries secrets upon the gentlest pleas. Rivers flow with a rhythmic grace, reflecting the world's serene face. In the forest's depths, a hidden charm, where creatures roam without alarm. Life's diverse tapestry, a wondrous art, each piece playing its vital part. Mountains rise with majestic might, touching the heavens with snowy white. Stars at night, a celestial dance, a timeless beauty, a cosmic romance. Life is beautiful with nature's touch, a gift that we cherish so much. Let's protect this world so grand, for in its beauty, we all stand.